Hi there. Today we're going to take a look at how to use the Safescan 40H Counterfeit Detector. Now, the device itself has two functions. We've got a torch or tube, which is the UV detection tool, which I'd imagine most people will be most interested in. Obviously, the torch is good for checking details, the various security features on banknotes to ensure they are legit. If you want to know more about detecting counterfeit notes, I'll make one of the top links in the description, the Bank of England's official advice, so you can be aware of all the hallmarks of a genuine banknote. But now let's take a look at the main feature of this device, which is the tube light. Now, as you can see, or not see, under normal lighting conditions, the main thing you're wanting to be checked isn't visible, which is the value of the note, shown in ultraviolet around the Bank of England text. Now with my lights off, you can hopefully see there the 20, so it just takes a slight dimming of light, as you can see, and it's as simple as that. And thankfully the warm-up time on the UV tube is incredibly minimal, so there's no need to wait for the UV to kind of warm up to check the authenticity. But I hope you found this useful. If you have, let me know with a like. Check anything you'd like to add down in those comments. Take care, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.